UV Light Sanitizer Travel Wand, Portable UV Light Mini Sanitizer Disinfection Lamp for Hotel Household Wardrobe Toilet Phone Car Pet Area Kids Toys with USB Charge Green. Disinfect quickly and effectively. Turns on the UV sterilizer light. Simply sweep the UV light sanitizer wand across the surface or stuff you desire to clean. It makes the encironment safe within 10 seconds without damaging any surfaces, makes no residue, no odor, no secondary pollution. Note: please avoid direct exposure to the human body, pets or plant for long-term. Portable, sterilize anytime. The UV sanitizer lamp built-in 600 mAh USB rechargeable batteries with compact design and lightweight, super convenient to store it in backpack or suitcase for use while traveling and outings. It's your personal health expert, especially in the critical period. The UV disinfection light destroys the molecular structure of DNA or RNA in viruses with light wavelength in the range of 240-280 nm. After years' efforts and tests, our UV sanitizer light is now authoritative certified, that anti-germ rate up to 99.9%. Thoughtful design and widely used, our UV disinfection lamp is widely used for home, office, school sanitizing. A nice choice to clean phones, toys, keyboards, laptops, toothbrushes and toilet covers, also can sterilizing pillow inside, clothes and bed stuff and others. Quality and safety guarantee. Our UV light sterilizer is of exquisite wand that with nice touch feel, adopted the selected ABS material and advanced LED light beads to ensure obvious sterilization effect and durable LED UV lamp lifespan more than 10,000 plus hours. The UV sterilizer light RC Rose certified not only proven works for disinfecting and sanitizing, but safety and use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.